Welcome to the March 2023 Green Screen. Today we'll be highlighting some of the exciting work found in this month's issue of the Green Journal. The editors have selected 3 articles to highlight. The first editor's pick article is Surgical Ergonomics and Preventing Work-Related Musculoskeletal Disorders by Dr. Terry Kaplan and Park. The authors note that implementation of surgical ergonomics should be considered to avoid work-related musculoskeletal disorders, which cause disability and affect surgeons' careers, longevity, and productivity. The second editor's pick article is the ultrasonography of explanted uterus and placenta accreta spectrum, correlation with intraoperative findings in gross pathology by Einerson et al. The authors report that severe lower uterine segment placenta accreta spectrum appears on post-operative ultrasonography and gross pathology as smooth, tapered extension of the placenta through a remodeled cesarean scar. The last editor's pick is titled Rural and Urban Differences in Insurance Coverage at Pre-Pregnancy, Birth, and Postpartum by Admin et al. In this study, rural residents, compared with urban residents, experience greater odds of uninsurance at pre-pregnancy, birth, and postpartum, and continuously across each period. To hear more about these Editor's Picks articles, listen to Editor-in-Chief, Dr. Jason Wright, along with Dr. John Fisher as they discuss these articles in more detail on the Green Journal podcast. You can download it from the Green Journal website or wherever you find your favorite podcast. This month, Dr. Wheeler's editorial, Accuracy is Anti-Racism, is written in response to a study by Burns et al. They report in a single-center retrospective analysis of maternal serum alpha-fetoprotein values, there's no difference between Black and non-Black patients. Every month, the Green Journal selects articles and prepares structured questions to facilitate discussion during the Journal Club. This month, these 2 studies have been selected as the Journal Club articles of the month. These articles and the accompanied resources can be found on the Green Journal's website. This month, the Green Journal debuts its first narrative reviews. Articles written to provide comprehensive yet concise summaries of topical clinical subjects. Both reviews focus on COVID-19 vaccination and its safety during pregnancy and when breastfeeding. This month also features 2 clinical expert series articles. And the first, Drs. Pacheco, Sade, and James discuss how maternal and fetal complications of inherited bleeding disorders can be minimized during pregnancy and delivery by anticipating possible bleeding complications, using hemostatic therapies when necessary, and involving a multidisciplinary team. And the second, Dr. Schmidt, Monson, and Chan review the advances in prenatal diagnosis and treatment of open spina bifida, including the evolution of fetoscopic repair, which are allowing for improved outcomes. In addition to these articles that we previously highlighted, you'll find the latest research and clinical guidance on a variety of obstetrics and gynecology-focused topics. A list of some of the research areas included in this issue are found here. Thank you for listening to this month's Green Screen. Be sure to visit the Green Journal website or pick up your copy of this month's issue to read the latest research and related articles promoting the excellence and the clinical practice of obstetrics and gynecology.